Hey, what's up? It's your boy Bandit. Today I'm on children duty, so that means I'm on dinner duty. So that means we're gonna make some Jamaican stewed chicken. Let's go.
Alright, so me as a man, I like my chicken leg them. So I went to Fresh Golf and I bought a value pack of drumsticks. You see it there? Value pack. And then I make sure that my chicken's clean. So I grab some apple cider vinegar and a lemon. I put a pot and then I take the chicken. I'm gonna put the chicken inside the pot. And I make sure that I get olive oil in there. And then I cut a lemon. And I'll add some apple cider vinegar and water. And with the lemon, I'll wash the chicken. I'll make sure the chicken washed because nobody no want no frozy unwashed chicken. At least not me. Not on my plate. Look, clean chicken. It's clean. Look at it. Clean. Alright, so now the ingredients. I got some garlic. We got some fresh ginger, red and orange peppers, onions, scallion, browning, allspice, and a little paprika. You add everything. You add that into the mixing bowl. You know what I'm saying? I also had some black pepper and some pimento seeds because we always cook with pimento seed. So as you can see, I'm just throwing everything in there. You know what I'm saying? Just dash the whole heap of it in there. Make it look colorful. And yeah, see? We just added in the scallions there. A little browning. And then I throw a couple more peppers on top. And then little more browning. Cause I love me carrot, I love my bite, I love my money and thing. Most of all, I'm stew chicken, I love my browning. So I add it up. Time to get your hands dirty. Or seasoned anyways, I like to say. See right here, coverage is the name of the game. You want to rub the bird down. Rub her down. Rub her down. And make sure you cover it up and make you get the seasoning all up in the crevices, alright? You get the drift. Next thing, you want to take some roasted garlic, olive oil, and you add that to a pan. And you turn that on medium heat. You add your ingredients and you start to make it go and juggle. You see how it's going nice? Then you add a cup of water and a little bit of apple cinnamon or apple cider vinegar. My bad. Add that to the mixture. Alright. And then go and stir him around a little bit and mix him up. You know what I mean? Make him just, get all up in there. Go ahead, stir it some more. Nah, go ahead. And see? Let it come to a nice little bubble and then cover it up and make it go on. After 20 minutes, 30 minutes, you should be done. And there, you have the final result. Stewed chicken. Trust me, it's finger licking. Go make yourself a pot. No! Please follow, like, and subscribe to my YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok at Bandit EMCEE. That's Bandit MC. Much appreciated. Thanks.